Hey my beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. It's your girl Cavell. So I'm just gonna start off this video by saying thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I really didn't realize that I got to 500, so I think I'm about 517 at this present moment or somewhere around there. But thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate all the love and support that I've received so far. It has been a little bit, you know, overwhelming in terms of like editing, trying to think of video ideas and things like that, but it's really been a fun ride so far. So thank you guys so much. And for all the people that are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And for all my returning watchers, thank you so much. And don't forget to give this video a like, watch it to the end, also comment down below. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the SORBUS makeup organizer. So if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. I thought I had a lot of makeup, but I really don't. And especially like since I gave birth to my kids, I really don't wear as much makeup as I used to. For the most part, it's like foundation, lashes, and lipstick. That's all I do. I barely wear eyeshadow most of the time. I kind of glam it up sometimes for the videos. So what I used to actually put my makeup in, I used to put it in this little thing, and then it started to spill over, so I put it in like little makeup box or makeup bags and things like that. So I've just kind of pop them into that thing, so once I unbox the organizer, I can just start to unload everything in there. And for the most part, my lipsticks have always really been in this like little thing. So I'm just gonna start off by just popping this thing on here and gonna open that up. And I got my little box cutter. Ooh. There we go. Just open, close this back up so none of my kids try to touch it. Okay, let's see. Pop this box over there, and let me just turn that around. I'm gonna flip the angle of my camera so that way you have a better view. Oh, it's actually pretty big. All right, I like the size of it so far. The color is amazing. I kind of wanted to go with like it's the little accent pink that I have in this room, so it really gave it a nice touch. I'm just getting this plastic off of here. Okay, so it comes with like the little things that you just lay flat in the drawers, but I think I'm gonna search for my own. I'm gonna try to get some like pink ones or some with a little bit of sparkle or something like that. So once I do update that, I will show you guys what I did with it with Fred, because I do feel like the black just kind of makes it look a little weird. I don't know. Yeah, I think if it had some sort of sparkle, this block is like really not doing it for me. So some sort of white sparkle, something, or pink sparkle, something or rather. I'll find it and I'll update that. So it just came with a SORBUS Beauty little card. It says like us on Instagram and Facebook, and it just leaves their little info. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys the specs on this organizer. I did purchase it on Amazon, and I purchased it for $54.75 Canadian. It's the clear acrylic plastic in the pink. Cosmetic and makeup storage case, 4 large drawers and 2 small drawers. So I got 4 large ones here, 2 small ones. And then this little thing, it does come off, so it makes it for, okay, so that's kind of cool. Alright. And it just kind of fits in there, so it really doesn't go anywhere. I would have to yeah, it's gonna be stationary on something, so I know it's really not gonna go anywhere. And for the dimensions of the organizer, so length times width times height, 23.5 by 15.9 by 36.2 centimeters. So it is pretty big. If you want to know what that is in inches, let's check. I'm not really good on those centimeters. I think it's, well, I don't know, I'm not gonna guess anything. So it's 9.5 inches wide roughly by 11 inches up to the drawer, and it would take me all the way back here, so maybe like 14, whatever. And then each drawer is about 2.5 inches deep, so that's pretty good. So let me just come up a little bit closer here so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I really love it. I'm so glad I purchased this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna start filling in a few of my makeup products in here, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I do that. And I'm sure I'm going to organize this a little bit better. I'm just trying to get some of the things just in there at this present moment. I have a lot of highlighters. Okay, so I am back. I filled it up with pretty much all my makeup. The ones that are remaining are ones that I'm gonna throw out. Okay, so starting from the bottom, it's just my highlighter palette, a little contour palette, and then this is just an eyeshadow palette. That's like the only eyeshadow palette I have. And then in this one, there's a few more highlighters, some blushes, and a little face powder thing that I really don't use. I don't know what's there. I should probably throw that out too, but every once in a while, because it does have a little bit of shimmer, so once in a while I'll use that one. So in here I have some lashes on this side. I have quite a few lashes, and then just some concealer, or 2 concealers in this one, and then this one. So these are all my shadows, and there's a few pigment glitters, and yeah, a liquid glitter. And then this one has some eye creams, as well as some primers, some of the little primers. And this one's gonna be, there's mascaras and liquid eyeliners. Yeah. And then up here, there's just some setting spray, and I think that's, what the hell is that? Oh, that's just another primer. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, guys. Yeah, so let me know if you guys like this organizer. This was the biggest size that I saw on there, but to be honest, if I plan on purchasing more makeup, I'm gonna need some more, but for right now, this will just do the trick. And this, I'm gonna place that over here on my drawer, and we're all set. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. There you have it, my makeup organizer. I hope you enjoyed this video.